Alright, it's currently 8:10 in the morning. What's up everyone? My name is Connor and I guess it's my first video. So today is my move-in day and I have to be there at 12 to pick up my keys. Let me give you a quick room tour real quick. That's just an old desk, old chair, old computer, all that stuff. Dresser with some of my clothes in it. And then that's my closet with some stuff in it. And then over there has my guitar on the wall and stuff. Since I'm already all packed up, I'll show y'all some videos of me packing up. In here I just finished labeling and taping all the boxes. So most of the boxes you're seeing in here are coming with me. Some of them aren't. I'm not sure if I want to keep my snowboard or bring it with me. And then if we go down the stairs, I have everything else. Say what's up, Wiggles. Right here is everything else I'm taking. So that's what all of it looks like. And most of the stuff, I mean all of it's from my room for the most part. Honestly, the nerves haven't really hit me yet and I'm feeling pretty good. So yeah. Alright, it is currently 10:06, and it's time to hit the road. This is what the car's looking like right now, or the truck. We're pretty packed all the way to the back, so let's go ahead and hit the road. So I'm editing this video right now like a week after I just moved in, and I realized I didn't really talk about the apartment until I got there. So here's a little bit of the information on the new apartment. So it's a 1-bed, 1-bath with what looks to have good space. Originally I was gonna get the studio, but I changed my mind and I'm super glad that I did. It's considered an on-campus living space. It's a 5-minute walk from campus and from the rec center, and it has a full kitchen. I do have a complete vision for the entire apartment, but I think it's best to keep that quiet and then just show y'all once we get there. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the parking lot right outside my apartment. I'm waiting for my parents to get here and then we're gonna go inside, check in, grab the keys, and start unloading. So yeah.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I got my key right here. And now we're gonna go ahead and go inside and I'll give you a little tour and then we're gonna unpack. Alright, so here's a really quick small tour. This is the living room we're in right now. Bedroom, bathroom. This is our little living room right here. We got our kitchen. Into the bathroom. And then into the bedroom, which actually has 2 closets, so not too bad. But yeah, that is the apartment. Alright, so I've been moved in now for over a week, and I wanted to do a final tour. I did record a tour the night I moved in once everything was furnished, but I didn't have everything because my parents came the next day and then later that week. But now I have pretty much everything that I want to get in for the time being, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the apartment's looking like. Okay, so this right here, hold up, focus, there we go. This right here is our front door. That lamp's a little alright. Directly to the side of the front door, we have my favorite spot in the entire apartment. I love the couch and the pillows and the throw and everything I chose. And then off to the side, we got the setup over here. I'm actually currently uploading stuff for the video because it's a whole long process, but I have an SD card, that I got to put on a USB. that I then got to put into my computer that's underneath. It's a whole tripping story. But then we got the TV right here with the Xbox and the Switch. And then it's like a Fire Stick is plugged in. And over here's our little kitchen, you know, nice little chairs, you know, matching the black vibes, the wood vibes. That's just a little kitchen right there. We got a waffle maker and a toaster. This right here is the bathroom door, but we'll go into the bedroom first. The bedroom right here. That right there's a flag for my last car. Right here I'm starting a picture wall. Just a bunch of Polaroids and stuff that me and my girlfriend take. You know, bedside table, camera stuff, bed, TV. I still need to get some more storage. I still want to put some more things in here because this is nowhere near being done. That right there is one closet. That's kind of just my storage closet. I just have boxes and stuff in there. And then right here is my next closet, just right next to the bathroom. This next closet is just all clothes and stuff. I have clothes all over the floor because I have nowhere to put them. I've already used up all the hanger space. Alright, so walking into the bathroom from the bedroom, you can see we got my little towel holder thing. Me, you know, cabinets, drawers, sink, toilet, shower. I mean, yeah. So that right there is pretty much the entire bathroom. And then, you know, we're in the kitchen now. That is pretty much the tour of my apartment. Anyways, it is all for the video. I guess this is the first video on my channel, so I guess just like the first video journal entry. But yeah. This is the new apartment, and hopefully I'll find some stuff to post about soon. So yeah, see you later.